Lakshmi came to MSSI through KM Hospital social worker. She was admitted there. They didn't have any money. So as usual, this social worker approached us. See, he always used to come to us when MS cases came through to him through villages or through out Jhopadpattis and all these lower middle classes.
मैं 9 साल की थी तब भी मेरे को वॉमिटिंग होता था और चक्कर आता था और बुखार आया था। तो मेरे को मेरी माँ ने म्यूनसिपलिटी हॉस्पिटल में लेके गया, तो वहाँ से मैं ठीक हो गई। फिर बाद में मुझे फिर होने लगा, तो मैं एकदम मेरा शरीर एकदम लूज हो गया, ना चल पाती थी ना उठ पाती थी। तो वहाँ के डॉक्टर ने बोला कि इसे केम में लेके जाओ। तो वहाँ लेके कि इसका इलाज इतना नहीं होगा, केम में लेके जाओ। तो वहाँ के डॉक्टर ने मुझे एडमिट लिया और MRI कराया, CT स्कैन कराया, तो ये सब कराया। तो बोला कि ऐसे सब प्रॉब्लम है, MS का प्रॉब्लम है आपको, ऐसे सब बोला। तो फिर उधर जाने के बाद ठीक हुई। तो फिर मुझे दूसरे एक साइड हुआ, फिर दूसरे साइड फिर हो गया। फिर दूसरे साइड हुआ तो मम्मी फिर लेके गई, तो वो फिर से आया। तो मम्मी ने बोली कि डॉक्टर को कि हम लोग कंडीशन ख़राब है, हम लोग का पैसा इतना नहीं हो पाएगा, क्योंकि उसका MRI CT स्कैन का बिल बहुत बड़ा 25,000 ऐसे होता था। तो मम्मी को सोशल वर्कर में भेजा, तो उन्होंने MSSI का एड्रेस दिया।
Multiple sclerosis is a disease of the central nervous system where the myelin, that is the insulating material, gets affected. Depending on which area of the central nervous system is affected, it may result in disturbance of vision, double vision, imbalance of the gait, difficulty in walking, even the bladder disturbance. Patients get the episode, they get better, and they may get another episode, and this is called as remitting and relapsing multiple sclerosis. Unfortunately, the disease affects the young.
Suddenly girl could not do anything. She was locked up in her bed. She could not get up. She could not do anything, and she could not see properly. So ultimately, after some time, even though injections were prednisolone injections or steroid injections which are given to her, she could not, her eye could not improve, and she lost vision in one eye. But otherwise, she was okay. Though she was very pale and weak because undernourished child, and she was not looking at her age 10 years, but she was looking like 6-7-year-old child. And then she was okay. Like MS always after attack they get well, and she started her school again. But in the school, she could not cope up with her lessons because of all these MS problems, and teacher did not want her in the school. So principal removed her. That time her mother again came to us and she said she is removed. She is not. They do not want her to in the school. So I sent our social worker Geeta along with our volunteer Bhavesh to that school, and we tried to explain to them what is MS and why it happens, and it is just a same, they have nothing, it is this MS is not infectious.
We try to understand their psychology, we try to understand their financial condition, their family background, how they are able to cope up day-to-day life situations also, and try to help them with motivational strategies. It's not the end of life. You have to face it. It can be no full stops. It can be a comma. Okay है, चलो, let's go ahead with it.
फिर पढ़ाई करने में मुझे प्रॉब्लम होता था, नहीं होता था। इसके लिए मैंने अपना पढ़ाई भी छोड़ दिया। उधर का ऐसा मतलब लोग समझ रहे नहीं थे कि मुझे ऐसा प्रॉब्लम है। मेरे को थकावट हो जाता था, वो बैग भी वजन रहता था, नहीं हो पाता था, और मेरे को पढ़ाई होता भी नहीं था। इसके वजह से मैं ध्यान भी नहीं दे पा रही थी, और सर ज़्यादा ध्यान देने पे मेरा सर दुखने लगा। मेरा मेन सर ही दुखता था।
7th standard she completed, and then she had to leave, and then the parents, of course, they did not want her to sit one more mouth to feed. So what they did, like a child labor, which is really not done thing, but in their areas these small scale industries were there, and she was employed there in one such a congested room, so many children sitting inside and working with eyes, strenuous work for her eyes, which was really really lot should have been done. But that time we were completely unaware of this. For few months she was doing that labor, and 1 year also, because the money was necessary. As suddenly her father developed cancer, her one brother got in a railway accident on the track. He died on the track, and the mother was only earning member, and she was selling vegetables at the side with police and all, paying haftas and all. बिचारी उसके पास कुछ भी पैसा रहता नहीं था. So how could she? So they needed the money, whatever Lakshmi could bring, and Lakshmi had to work. So this, but when we saw that she is exploited and she is getting, and there was no bathroom. These MS symptoms are there, that like if she has to go to washroom, there was no washroom, no nothing. She had to run to her house, which was quite far away, and that also they were not allowing. She completed her nursing course, certificate course of course, but when she was employed in one hospital, and she all the time, it was very strenuous work, standing 10 hours and all this, which she could not cope up. And she was employed for the theatre, as a theatre assistant nurse. And there, when she started, first day only when she looked the blood, she really felt fainted, and then later on she never wanted to go back to nursing. But in the meanwhile, she's learned BP, which is how to take BP, and which is very useful for MSSI, because here continuously we are having this kind of camps, and we are having doctors here. Even for hours also she now takes BP, because now we have employed her in our office only. She's starting, and she's got the confidence to travel alone by train.
MSSI के हर एक मेंबर ने मेरी मदद किया, समझाते थे कि ठीक हो जाएगा, ऐसा ऐसा सब ठीक. अभी मैं ठीक भी हो गई हूँ. अब मैं अभी इधर रोज ऑफिस में भी आती हूँ, काम करती हूँ, ऐसा.
We have got a huge task in front of us. We have to reach to all these people. We have to give them service. So for this we need lots of volunteers and donors. So please, I request everyone, please to come to us to offer your services whatever way you can, which will help us make a society free of MS, improve the quality of their life, and they can live full life, and they will bless you all. Please do come forward.